this, almost like a parent responsibility towards them. And I think that came from the whole crew.
Watching the kids grow up and enjoy it, nobody could help but be touched and moved by it all.
They grew up to be really nice people throughout the course of the films.
I remember the last scene on...
It was being down and closed the Great Hall doors, and once the doors have been closed, they do make a fabulous fire. It did have an oil reservoir in the middle and a light flame on top, but since this set did not have a false ceiling, it did tend to get quite drafty in here, which caused the candles to swim ever so slightly side to side, and caused the light flame on top to go through the wires, which resulted in quite a few of them falling on top of the tables. And I do promise you that these candles you can see here today are 100% fake. I will not be falling on top of you. I hope so anyway. Now, whilst the ceiling may not be real, the floor is. Now, the floor is made with real York flagstones, which you're going to see in castles up and down the country. And whilst making this set makes new, that would draw a wily death. For example, the sword ceremony, or the fork choir that we see during the welcome feast, during the Prisoner of Azkaban. And they did start the feast with the song of Double Trouble, 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 which we see in 3, 2, 1, and action. And I'm sure we can all agree that this song is 100% a bop and will be stuck in the head for the rest of the day. Now, these folks you can see here today and in the film are in fact puppets and made out of silicone to make themselves look more realistic. And they were very heavy as well, so we did have crew members hiding behind the students, holding the frogs, operating the mouths.
Stundenplan.
Ja. Het is een huis.
Was Northwest. Warner Brothers had said to me, "We think you can make 2 films out of this."
Perception. No.
Now, especially on everybody's systems of origin, these rituals here. We have one that celebrates a sexual occasion, our birthday, possibly perhaps. Yes, come forward now, madam. We're on the ground and we're on the ice in the birthday person. Come forward, sir. There we are. He's also one of the largest. Now, officially, this fantastic musical set. Over here, and we'll pull that together again for all the other. Now, this you will be able to stand and always.
One of the fun things you'll see here today is that many of the interior sets were all built under the same roof. So Dumbledore's office was sometimes back to back with the Weasley Burrow, which was then just steps away from Hagrid's hut. In fact, it's this way and you'll see yourself just trying not to be confused.
Oh, don't try one of them. Oh, no.
It's rich with atmosphere. You see it, it's just gives us richness. It's noticeable rhythmical comedy, which I love. From the exterior complex, it has a conical tower, one joining the other, and then still real, still structured.
What would I get if I had a promotion of one? Well, let's try again. Where is the probability if I ask you to find me a beat? Now, what is the difference between that space and this space?
technology, so you can see scenes of London whizzing by. This is all original footage from the movie.